Hello, everyone. Welcome back to your channel Life Guru. Today, we have an exciting video lined up for you, healthy snack ideas for work or school. We all know how important it is to stay fueled and energized throughout the day, so we've prepared a variety of nutritious and delicious snack options that are perfect for those busy workdays or school hours. Let's dive in and discover these mouth-watering treats. 1. Energy Boosting Trail Mix. Our first snack idea is a classic energy boosting trail mix. In a bowl, combine your favorite nuts, such as almonds, walnuts, and cashews, with some dried fruits like cranberries, apricots, and raisins. You can also add a sprinkle of dark chocolate chips for an extra treat. Mix it all together, and you have a portable and satisfying snack to keep you going. Share your go-to trail mix combination in the comments below. Let's swap ideas and inspire each other. 2. Veggie Sticks with Hummus. For a refreshing and nutritious option, try veggie sticks with hummus. Slice up some carrots, cucumber, and bell peppers. Pair them with a creamy hummus dip for a delightful combination of flavors and textures. It's a great way to get your veggies in while enjoying a tasty snack. Tag a friend who loves hummus or veggies. Sharing is caring, and we all deserve some healthy snack inspiration. 3. Greek Yogurt Parfait. Next up, we have a delicious and protein-packed Greek yogurt parfait. In a jar or container, layer some Greek yogurt with your choice of fresh fruits like berries or sliced peaches. Add a drizzle of honey and a sprinkle of granola for a satisfying and wholesome snack. What's your favorite fruit to include in a yogurt parfait? Let us know, and let's celebrate the goodness of yogurt together. 4. Rice Cake Delights. Rice cakes are versatile and make a perfect canvas for delicious toppings. Spread almond butter or peanut butter on a rice cake, and add banana slices or a sprinkle of cinnamon. You can also go savory with avocado and a dash of black pepper. These rice cake delights are quick, easy, and delightful. Have you tried any creative rice cake toppings? We're curious to know your innovative combinations. And that concludes our collection of healthy snack ideas for work or school. Whether you're in need of a quick pick-me-up or a satisfying treat, these snacks have got you covered. Eating well shouldn't be complicated, and we hope these ideas make healthy snacking a breeze for you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more wholesome content. Until next time, stay fueled, stay healthy, and have a fantastic day.